and welcome to my channel. I was looking at my pannier boxes and I was thinking, well, there's a load of black there. This would make an ideal place for putting some graphics on. So I had a look online just to see what other people have done, and I found quite a few graphics that were available. A lot of them we had to pay extortionate amount of money for. I thought, well, my wife's got a vinyl cutting machine, we'll do it ourselves. So after having a look at what was around, what I'm going to do is do Himalayan, and that will be just the letters in white, and then some mountains, which are Himalayan. Again, that's not the full effect because it was difficult to cut out all the bits and pieces with scissors, but the cutting machine will cut it out properly. So I'm present waiting for good old Amazon to deliver the vinyl, and it's a 3-year guarantee, outdoor waterproof white vinyl. Obviously if you had silver boxes, then you could use black or copper or gold or whatever. I think gold would be a bit flash on this, and I think just plain white and matte white would be the best option. Right, having practiced on the other side, this one's going to be perfect, I think, says he, hopefully. A couple of little small glitches doing the other side with the backing paper staying on, like is what's happening here. But I think the best method is to remove everything. Right. That's a bit easier. I've just got to do the mountain graphic. And the problem with this one, when I was doing it on the other side, was that as I was peeling it away from the backing paper, was coming detached from the contact sheet. Let me just give this a rub, because I think that's the same problem I've got now. I think once I've got it all on the contact sheet, it should be a lot easier. go. I think that's about right. So I should be able to just peel this off now, but remembering to peel down rather than across the mountain peaks. Oops. There we go. See a couple of bits of air in there, but those are all rubbed out. Job done.